looking forward to seeing, meeting people, getting to get out there, chat with everyone, seeing what's going on.
Well, it's been real good so far. Everyone's been real welcoming, real friendly. It's real nice seeing all this new equipment that I don't have. Okay. But one thing that's really aspirational about it, you see all these guys that's been doing this thing for a long time, right? And you see new guys like me. It shows you how far you can go.
It's always good to learn. We've been in the classes for insurance. We've been in the classes for asking the experts, which has helped with hiring ideas and really finding the guys that are going to take our business to the next level.
We've made a lot of connections, really genuine connections. We've met some really great people.
Always come back for our continued education, more classes, and the giveaways, because look what I won. We're excited. It seems like it's really, really nice so far. I'm excited to talk to some people, see what's going on out there in the pressure washing world.
There's nothing that compares to being able to talk to people who love to do what you do.
Excited to see all the people that are going above and beyond in this industry.
Yeah, all year we are really excited about attending the PWNA conventions. I'm excited to meet a lot of our clients and a lot of vendors here. We have a great time just getting introduced to the power washing community.
Here to meet people, meet partners, meet business owners, and it's just been an amazing experience so far. The value that we have received out of being a part of the show is just incredible.